Today's recipe is a must for any children's party. A party favourite, loved by children all around the world, and I can't remember a party that I went to as a child that these weren't there. What am I referring to? Of course, chocolate crackles. So let's get cooking. First, grab a large mixing bowl and add 4 cups of Kellogg's Rice Bubbles, 1 cup of icing sugar, 250 grams of cocoa, and 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Next, grab a fry pan and put over low heat and melt 1 cup of desiccated copha. And then, once it's all melted, allow it to cool. Add the rice bubble mixture and stir until well coated. Spoon into paper patty cases and refrigerate until firm. This is quite a simple recipe, but I'll tell you, you can't stop at one of these. And make a fair few of them if you're having a kids' party, because they won't last very long. So if you've liked this recipe, remember to like, subscribe and share. And of course, look at the corner of the screen to see another fabulous recipe that I've put up. And until next time, this is Philip's Cooking Recipes. Bye for now.